The all-new 2026 BMW M3 luxury sedan is officially set to launch next month right here in the United States. And it's already creating massive excitement. Finished in an aggressive yet classy black color, this M3 blends track-level performance with executive-level comfort. BMW has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the M3 and refined it into a sharper, smarter, and more luxurious machine. This is not just a sports sedan, it's a statement of dominance on American roads. Exteriors. From the outside, the 2026 BMW M3 looks bold, muscular, and unapologetically powerful. The black exterior enhances its aggressive stance, giving it a stealthy and premium presence. Up front, the signature large kidney grille has been redesigned for better airflow and sharper styling, paired with slimmer LED laser headlights that give the car a focused, predatory look. The sculpted hood lines, widened fenders, and aerodynamic side skirts highlight its motorsport DNA. At the rear, quad exhaust tips, a subtle carbon fiber lip spoiler, and redesigned LED taillights complete the performance-driven design. Large alloy wheels wrapped in high performance tires ensure the M3 looks just as fast standing still as it does on the move. Interiors. Step inside the 2026 BMW M3, and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly balances luxury and sportiness. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide excellent comfort and aggressive bolstering for spirited driving. The black-themed interior, combined with ambient lighting, creates a modern and premium atmosphere. A curved digital display dominates the dashboard, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. Carbon fiber trim, a flat-bottom M steering wheel, and aluminum pedals remind you that this is a true M car, while rear seat comfort and ample space make it practical for daily driving. Engine and performances. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M3 is expected to feature an upgraded twin-turbocharged inline-six engine. Power output is estimated to exceed 500 horsepower, delivering blistering acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. The M-Tune suspension, adaptive dampers, and advanced all-wheel drive system ensure maximum grip and confidence in every driving condition. Whether on city streets or open highways, this M3 offers explosive performance while remaining smooth and controlled, making it one of the most versatile performance sedans in its class. The 2026 M3 comes loaded with cutting-edge features, including advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and a high-end surround sound system. BMW's latest infotainment software supports wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with voice commands and over-the-air updates. When compared to rivals like the Mercedes-AMG C63 and Audi RS5, the BMW M3 stands out with its perfect balance of raw performance, everyday usability, and driver-focused engineering. It delivers a more engaging driving experience while still offering luxury-level comfort. Price and value. The expected starting price of the 2026 BMW M3 in the United States is likely to fall in the premium sports sedan range, reflecting its performance, technology, and brand value. While it may not be the cheapest option, it offers exceptional value for drivers who want a luxury sedan that can dominate both the track and the daily commute. For enthusiasts looking for power, prestige, and practicality in one package, the 2026 BMW M3 luxury sedan is worth every dollar.